Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to build a topographic chart in Excel. This is a particular type of chart that you can use where you have XY data and then a third variable, a Z value, that's the height that you want to show. So it's you can do this to a limited extent in Excel. Obviously, if you want to do serious topographic mapping, there are more sophisticated programs designed for that. But if you just want to make a basic 3D chart, there's some things you can do in Excel. So if you look at my screen, I've got a table that I have set up with some XY values, and just to make it interesting, I put a function in here that's a function of the X and Y values, and X and Y are each numbers from 1 to 20, and then there's a formula here. It's just a little quadratic formula that uses the A, B, and C over here in column Z. I just have basically the three parameters of the function I'm showing over here in my formula. So and what I have, because it takes a few steps to generate it, I have the topographic chart already generated here. So one of these scales is X, the other one is Y, and then the Z value, which is the values in the array here, are illustrated by a surface plot. And it's very nice because it's color coded, so you can see it's automatically scaled. Every 200 whatever units these are is a different color, and you've got your legend over here. Let me just scroll in so you can see the chart a little better. The resolution only looks bad because I'm zooming in here. So you can imagine that if you had a more complicated formula, you could or some data you wanted to plot and show on a topographic plot, you could illustrate it this way. So let me just start from scratch and just show you the steps of getting to, at least the first couple steps of getting to the chart. Basically, you select all the XY data, and one important thing to know is it's going to assume that the XY values are equally spaced. So there's no point in doing it if they aren't equally spaced. So that's why my sample here just has X and Y each from 1 to 20. What you want to look for in the chart menu is it's one of the more advanced chart options in this particular version of Excel on this operating system. It's under the Other menu, and then it's a 3D surface. So I click on 3D surface, and there it is. And I've the one that I already had created, I've done a little bit of scaling and done some other things. So basically, there's the plot. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to generate a topographic chart in Excel. Thank you for watching.